Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this essay writing tools, which is Writeless AI. So let's get started about this AI platform. Writeless AI in 2025 is designed specifically for students and academic writers, helping you generate well-structured essays complete with a real citation in format like APA and MLA. It offers features like plagiarism check, AI detection shielding, and tone customization, making it easy to produce draft quickly. Many users appreciate how it saves times, overcomes writer's block, and integrates scholarly with or other source directly into output, making it a strong choice for coursework or research assistance. However, Writeless AI isn't perfect. Some essays can feel generic and shallow on every niche topic, and most users still edit for personal voice and depth. The free plan is very limited, and exporting or long essay require a paid subscription. And here's a final intake about the Writeless AI. So Writeless AI is what in 2025 if you need fast citations, ready draft with built-in academic tools. Just be prepared to refine the content to make your unique styles and standard. And that's it. Find the review a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.